The Andax Big Containment Pack is a spill kit and containment pool all-in-one. It couples the power of the Andax Emergency Spill Kit and the Inflatable Containment Tank for up to 110 gallons of spill containment. It's really big containment in a really small pack. The Big Containment Pack is sealed in a vacuum-packed foil pouch, small enough to easily fit in narrow spaces like behind a truck seat. Inside the Big Containment Pack, you will find 20 oil-selective pads, 1 disposal bag, a pair of nitrile gloves, 1 zip tie, 3 oil-selective sorb socks, and the 100-gallon inflatable containment tank. To open the Big Containment Pack, find the tear notch located under the heat seal. Tear open the pouch to access the contents of the pack. Use the personal protective equipment as needed. Remove the inflatable containment tank and absorbents. The ICT is a pop-up containment pool that can hold up to 100 gallons. The CO2 cylinder instantly inflates the sidewalls for rapid spill response. The ICT features an inflation valve with a ripcord for instant deployment, a CO2 cylinder with an insulator sleeve, and a safety release valve that automatically vents excess air. To deploy the containment pool, place the ICT on the ground with the CO2 cartridge facing up. Spread and unfold the pool. Grip the CO2 cartridge with the insulator sleeve attached, then pull the red handle to inflate the pool. The carrying case has a pocket where you can store additional cylinders for multiple deployments. Use the contents of the spill kit to block off any storm drains, waterways, or environmentally sensitive areas as needed. Place absorbent pads over the spill. When finished, put the used material into the supplied disposal bag and tie off the bag using the zip tie. The Big Containment Pack is perfect for anyone with limited space for storage to contain 110 gallons in seconds. Bigger on the inside, the BCP is the all-in-one solution for spill containment. Call us today for more information about the Big Containment Pack and other spill containment products. If you like this video and are new to our channel, then be sure to like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to turn on notifications when we upload new videos.